What's up, you guys? It's Overtrading here with a brand new video. My daily trading routine for success. This video is pretty much going to break down what I do once I get up in the morning and open the markets. When I get on my computer and get ready to trade. Hope you guys really get the information down packed. Get a pen and paper because there's a lot to cover. Love you guys, and let's get right into the video. Alright, you guys, so getting right into the video. What's going to be shown here is, remember, on Sundays, I have my weekly breakdowns of how I expect the week to go. Then on Wednesday nights, I would pretty much scratch all of that and see where we are during the week. That Sunday gets me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in the morning. That Wednesday gets me Thursday, and Friday. And it's pretty much just to see if my levels are up to date, if we have created a new level. And that way we know if anything really has changed bigly. Now, getting right into it, we can see, paying attention, that we are on a daily time frame. Let's say this is the morning, boom. I would 100 recommend is not start off by getting up and opening the market. You should be getting up at least minimum an hour before. That means get up, brush your teeth, put some water in your face, look over, read a book, do something, get your mind going. So the first thing that you're doing is not up and looking at the markets and going straight to trading. It will mess up a lot of things. So what I do is I get pretty much early, up and early, go to the gym, get back, make myself some food, and then I get to trading. If I don't go to the gym, I try to wake up about an hour before market opening, giving me the time to get something to munch on, get my water, look over the market, stuff like that, so I have a clear mind and my mind's already going. So going straight into it, we do want to start off, at least for myself, I like to start off on that daily time frame. So we see where our daily is. So we can tell that we have started that information. Sorry about all these lines. It's kind of, midweek already. But it is, we created that information. We fell under. Then we just rejected off of this support level that we could tell we had around here. So we know that we are pretty much on a short time bullish right now. So what we want to do is break it down on the 4 hourly. What do we see? Okay, we see the same thing, that move up. All right, we rejected our 4 hourly level that we have previously already. What else are we looking at? Okay, we rejected this 4 hourly level down here as well, which is giving us our support system here. We're looking at the 1 hourly. Our 1 hour is not looking too bad either. Looking pretty nice here. All right, so we could tell that as of right now, the market's looking like it wants to come down, but we're rejecting our 4 hourly. We're rejecting our 4 hourly. All right, and then once I break down all of those different key levels, key structures, confluences for myself, I like to go down to the 5 minute. Now on the 5 minute, I will start looking. This is a trade I did take today. I had already taken this trade, but I started looking. Let's do this. Make it easier for you guys. We want to be realistic here. 820 more or less is when I start drawing out my buy entries. So, or my orders. So I want to see overall if real quick, if you guys are serious about leveling up your trading, you need to check out the Relentless Society Academy. It is packed with game-changing strategies, risk management information, mindset hacks, and that it will help traders become a more consistent and profitable trader. Whether you are just starting or struggling to be consistent, to be a better trader, this course will really help you and will give you a small shortcut to be a better trader in the long term. If that sounds like something you guys want to give a try, check the link. I'll take you straight to WAP and get yourselves in there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the Discord. Break under, or if we break above. What am I really looking for? I'm really liking, I know that if we break under, we'll have more volume. We'll have a more opportunity to make more money than the buys at this very moment. So I was really aiming for my sells to be activated. Now, where am I going to put my sells? Yes, I could put them here. I could have been in my sells right now. But in reality, I don't like to take a trade till at least 9:30. I do like to set it up, see if the market likes to mess around a little bit, and then get us in. So on the 5 minute, let's tap 1, tap 2. What would that be? This would be 9:25. We didn't get activated just yet there, because For one, our didn't even hit, and two, it's not even 9:30. And then our 9:30 candle, we got activated, and that's where we hit our TP 1 and 2 got hit. So it's pretty simple. What I like to go over, what I like to really see is our break structure. Do our top down analysis, break down the chart, break down what's going on, see where the market is going, and then on the 5 minute, about 5 to 15 minutes before the market goes, I like to journal, hey, what's my pre-market analysis? Break everything down. You don't want to have a pre-market analysis. You don't want to not journal your trade because you want to know why you're even getting into these trades. Does that make sense? So break everything down to the bare minimum. So it makes it so much easier for you. With that being said, once I break it down and I got about 15 to 5 minutes left on the next candle to be open, right before market open, I like to set those limit orders. I like to see where are we heading, where is the market heading. After I see where the market is heading, I start putting my limit orders. Once I put my limit orders, it will then help me. It would then activate automatically, so I don't have to sit here and worry about anything or try to fight it or try to be quick. No, it's just all by itself. Get activated, I'm in. And that is literally my routine on a daily basis, just for trading. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment and we'll go right over them. I love you guys and I hope you guys enjoy the video.